if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. In today's video, I have no idea what I'm doing actually. No idea. I thought I would turn the camera on. I'm just gonna play with some makeup. I recently got the Suva Beauty Block Party eyeshadow palette, so I am very intrigued and tempted to use that color right there. I also recently received the Morphe 35 V palette. I think the other name for it is, ow. Oh, Stunning Vibes. Ooh, why does my forehead look so shiny? Oh, fresh braids, fresh hairstyle. That's what happens. But I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I will come back and hopefully we can create something beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. Let me see if I can bring you guys in closer. This is the best that I can get because I know you guys have wanted me to get closer in, and it's really hard for me to get those like tight shots right now with this setup. And a little note that they sent me, this palette includes dual chrome shadows, and you guys know me, anything shine, anything shine, I'm in there like swimwear. I'm gonna use this color called Tryst. I'm just gonna pack it on. Pack it on. So it's not coming up as rich as I thought it would. Let's build them up. So I'm packing on the shadow here. I'm gonna use this guy, that one right there. What's the name of this? Turned On. Interesante. Just soft circular motions. I'm gonna have to go back in with that first color. I get really focused when it comes to my eyeshadow, y'all. Sorry. I'm adding back that Tryst color from earlier, that very first one that I laid down. I really didn't mean for this to be so like blown out, but it has happened. Okay, so I really want to deepen the colors in the crease, but I don't see anything here that would really do that in this color family, so I'm gonna have to take the black shade. A little scared to go any further with the black, so I'm gonna take Tryst again, blend that on top of the black, and hopefully that will give me the intensity that I want. It's like anything on top of black just doesn't layer well. Blend, blend, blend. If I could take the stars out the sky for you, there's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do. Zagazao, zigazao. So I think we're on to something. I'm going to cut the crease. I haven't done a cut crease in a little bit. I'm having a bit of trouble with that black, but that's kind of a normal occurrence, especially when you're laying like colorful stuff with black. It's not an easy task. I don't want to be here blending forever. So I'm gonna take my MAC 242S. It appears I'm running out of C12, so I'm gonna use C1. And I look up because folds life. So I don't know if I'm gonna do, should I do a halo eye or a cut crease? No, let's do full on cut crease. Okay, now for the color I'm really excited to use. Finally, sheesh, like everybody else move away. I'm gonna take Boombox from the Suva Beauty Block Party palette. Oh, my heart can't handle it. My heart can't handle it, 'cause it's calling my name. I'm just stamping it on. And you guys, I'm not really talking because I'm experimenting while recording this. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I mean, the pigmentation is definitely there, but I feel like it's not sticking as good. I don't know, maybe my base is a little bit too wet. I think what I'm gonna do is I'll just go ahead and take this color here called Mixtape, and it's a shimmer. I'm not liking this look, you guys. I'm not feeling it. I don't know. I think it's the color combination. Let's keep going and see what happens. I'm gonna take this dark blue right here. This one is called Flink. Flink? Fling. Wow. I'm gonna go back in and add the black, what's it called again? The black shade is called Little Black Book. I'm gonna go back in and add it right in here. And this brush I'm using is a MAC 266 brush. I'm gonna go in and blend it out in a bit. I did notice that some of the black dropped down to the shimmers. So I'm just carefully trying to blend this out without ruining my cut crease. And this is just a little trick that I use from time to time to deepen the crease whenever you've already laid down those cut crease colors. I'm gonna take Tryst again with that same pencil brush and go further up. The burgundy color is falling down to the eyes, so that's over, that's canceled. I'm just gonna blend this out and call it a day. Blend this out with the clean brush. I'm gonna go back in with that shimmery, I don't know what to call it, teal. I don't mind the fallout getting on the other colors since they're deeper. But it's a shimmer I'm worried about. The rest of my face has been done, and now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do something to the lower lash line. I think I might just take Boombox and then Tryst, which was that like cranberry burgundy color. I think I'll take both of those to the lower lash line. Let's see. I was gonna add something to the waterline, but I changed my mind. Color is coming up a little bit more green on the lower lash line. Probably has to do with what it's being laid on top of. Wipe off the brush and go in with the 35V palette, the shade Tryst. Oh yeah, I don't like that. I don't like the way they're looking. But I'm gonna take this. This one's calling my name. Heartbreaker. It's like a champagne-ish golden yellow to a dusty pink shift. And I'm just gonna go crazy with my inner corner. Excuse me while I do that. Thank you. And here is the final look, you guys. It pulled together. Thank goodness. Now there is a bit of like patchiness here and there, and I think it's because I used eyeshadows from two different palettes. I don't know if you can see, but that darker blue from the Morphe palette and that tealish greenish blue from the Suva Beauty palette, blending between those two looks a little bit questionable. And then definitely down here at the lower lash line, I was having issues with that as well earlier. I definitely want to play more with them, especially the Morphe palette, because those duochromes were calling my name. Okay, but yeah, the duochromes are lovely. I really love this one right here that I used to my inner corner. It reminds me a lot of one of the eyeshadows from the Morphe 35O palette. I definitely do want to play around with this palette more. Same with the Suva Beauty one as well. This isn't really a review. I just wanted to play in some color, to be honest. The Morphe 35V is only in Ulta, I believe, starting September 23rd. Sorry, I know my energy is like really low right now, but it's because I'm really tired. I have so much stuff to do. I have 17 hours before I need to leave to the airport, and I don't think I'll be able to get any rest at all between now and that 17-hour mark. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I will already be in my destination. I don't even know if I'll have Wi-Fi access. Oh gosh, that would suck. So I guess I'll just respond to whatever I can when I get back. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I was very scared at the beginning of this look. Actually, even the middle. I was scared in the middle of the look as well. On my lips, I have the Ellery and ColourPop glossy lip something. It's the shade is called Netta. My brain is doing something. I just really wanted a color that was a nude and something I was really comfortable with, just because I didn't want to add any color to my lips. Just the eyes have a lot going on already. For highlight, I do, again, another thing I always use, the Official Glam Beauty Pressed Highlighter in the shade Drippin'. This is what I use, and blush, I'm wearing MAC Raisin Contour Sleek Face Contour Kit in dark. What else do I have on? NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black. Foundation is Lancome Teint Idole 24-Hour Ultra in 500 Suede W. This foundation is usually a little bit too dark for me, but it seems to be a perfect match, which would make sense as to why my other foundations have been looking too light, because my skin is getting darker. So yeah, this is what we are working with. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel already and you like to see more of Youkeyy. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm on Youkeyy. What? I'm on Youkeyy at underscore. On Instagram, I'm at Youkeyy underscore, Youkeyy underscore. I'm also on Twitter and Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed this experimental look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Lord willing, stay blessed. Bye.